Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to make thumbnail in Adobe Photoshop. When you open the Adobe Photoshop, you will select a new document and go to film and video. We know that the best size for YouTube thumbnail is 1280 cross 720 pixel. So create it. You see that this is the size of a thumbnail. So we have this image, drag it there, press and Control T. Now we write text here by text tool, and here we type how to grow hair. Now we can increase its length and change the color of this text, and the color is black. Now here we double click it and give stroke to text, so it is best thumbnail for YouTube.
If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.